It's Antoine at Learn Local SEO, and I want to show you guys how to import a campaign into Kartra. So I'm just going to log into my account right here. And this is where you guys need to go. You need to go to My Campaigns. Just click on that. Then you need to go to this tab right here where it says Campaigns, My Campaigns. Click on Done for You. After you clicked on Done for You, slide over here to Import. And it's going to ask you for a share code. You should have received this from whoever you bought the campaign from, or if your friend or buddy sent you one, he will give you a code. I already have the code. I'm going to copy and paste it in here. Got to do a little space to make this turn green. Click Next. There's 4 pages that are being imported, so it just tells you what's going to be imported into your account. This is only 4 pages. Click Import and close. That is it. Now to go actually see where that campaign is at, you want to go back to My Campaigns. And click on the Done for You. And you'll see it right here where it says Free Landing Page Template. If you actually want it to be in your account, you have to click Deploy. I'm going to click Deploy. And you can name anything you want. Click Import. And you can watch the video if you want, but I'm not. So now it's actually in your account. So then you go back to My Campaigns. And there it is. So you can actually view the assets and all that good stuff from here. Pages. And you can see the 4 pages. So there it is. You guys have any more questions, please let me know. Antoine at learnlocalseo.com. Thank you.